So if you're currently mining this right now, so you need to take this into consideration right now, and these are the area we are going to be making more money and be eligible for this particular project, right? So the first thing I want to talk about is the level, right? So if you check out this particular site, you are going to see the levels right here. So we have different levels right here. We have the level 0, level 1, level 2, level 3. Let me just show you right here, level 3 and thereabout. So we have up to level 10 right here. I know most of you are on level 10 already, and on this particular account I'm using for this tutorial, you can see I'm on level 7 right here. So how do you upgrade to more levels, and how is this level actually going to help you to actually earn more and be eligible for this particular project, right? All right, so if you're in any level, actually you're going to be eligible for you to be in upper hand right here. They're going to be rewarding people that actually like make up higher level than people that are just in level 1, level 2 right here. So the categories is actually not yet out for this right here. So let's see, because for some project they might tell you to be on level 5 before you can be eligible, kind of. So make sure to get to some levels before this actually comes out right here. So how do you get to levels, right? So this is what actually implies of getting to levels. You can see we have this particular amount right here. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So first things first, let's come back to this and let's see the amounts that are required to actually move to levels right here. So you can currently see from this is 25,000 worth of coin right here. This is for you to be in this level. So for you to be in this particular level, you need to have 100 of this particular coin, and for you to be in golden, you have to have 1 million and 2 million right here. So how do you get that done? So once you mine right here, you are going to see at this particular point the crypto balance is currently showing right here, about 1.2 right here, and this is the crypto balance mining per hour, 1.4 at this particular site right here. So how do you get that done? That is where you do your conversion right here. So you come to conversion, right? So once you come to conversion, this is one thing I want to show you also. So on your conversion, make sure before you convert, your rate is actually equivalent to the normal dollar rate right now, and make sure it is high so that you're not going to be missing some money right here. So you click on this, then I'm going to click on the amount we want to convert right now. So let's convert one, because we are currently having we are currently at 1.2. Let's convert one. So one of these is actually going to be giving us this right here, and I'm going to click on convert right now. So once I click on convert, then I'm going to click on confirm. So after this has been confirmed successfully, right, so we come back to this particular site, and we are going to see this will keep increasing. So you need to keep saving this particular stuff for more. So now this is 12 million right here, and if you check out this level 7, and for me to get to level 8, I have to have 50 million right here. So the best thing I can do is to keep my token right here and keep getting it. So this is the plan I have right now, which I'm going to be telling you. So before I keep buying cards, I want to actually leave this particular level to like level 10. So once it reach level 10, then I know I've done with the level, then we can start buying card, right? So this is another thing you need to make focus on. This is what is quite important in this particular airdrop. This is this secret, the CEXP right here. It is what is important in this airdrop for you to be able to be eligible and to be able to make money right here. It's not about the card, it's not about the coin right here. This is just for you to increase the level, right? So how do you increase this particular stuff? Is by making some tax and buying cards right here. You can see we have a lot of cards right here, and note, if you want to buy a card, make sure you're actually buying card that has more CEXP than the one that have high charges. You can actually see from this particular one right here, we have 0.0035 per hour. This is where you're going to be giving for mining, and you're going to be getting about you're going to be using 11,700 coin right here. So if you check out some other ones, you're going to be seeing kind of something similar to it also, and that is one thing you need to know. So if you have any question, please go straight to the comment section and drop a comment. I'm going to be making one further video on how this actually works and how to make money on this project. All right, so before we go, the last one I'm going to be talking about right here is actually this. So you can see we have the tax right here. Make sure you perform all these tax. If you can't perform, make sure at least attempt to perform, because this is also going to be a area that are going to be using to scale this particular airdrop to be able to push out to people and earn money right here. So I'll see you in my next video.